so hi everybody, we've got Damien here. Damien, go ahead, introduce yourself to everybody.
Yes, I'm a fellow YouTuber. You'll know me as Damien Cross Racing on YouTube, and I'm here because these guys look after my PC, which runs a very sophisticated driving simulator.
So you're here today to pick up your PC?
Yes, yeah,
Right,
that's
so-
it. Yeah, so although you've looked after it for all this time, it was time to take the next step. So we've upgraded everywhere.
And we've upgraded we have upgraded some really cool stuff in this.
I can't wait to see this.
I can't wait as well. I can't wait to see how this is gonna spin up really nice. Okay, so let's go for it and take a look. How's that?
Look at the size of the thing.
Isn't it awesome?
That's incredible. Wow.
That
It's
is
amazing.
It's an amazing piece of kit. So we've got Dan here with us, who's our tech.
Yep.
He's going to tell us a little bit more about the specification of this machine. So tell us a little bit about it.
So this PC is sporting a Gigabyte B650 Aurorus Elite AXV2, I believe it's called. That is supporting a Ryzen 9 7900X and 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM.
And the DDR5, that's the latest, right?
It is.
Okay, so that's awesome. And it's running at what sort of speed are we talking?
5600.
Wow. Okay, that's awesome. All right, so what else can you tell us?
So it's got a 1000 watt power supply. This PC has been built completely for futurability, hence why it's got so much power in it. It's got so much room. Alongside that, it has got this amazing 701 massive airflow case, which means it can have, I believe it's 7 140mm fans.
So it's got some serious air cooling in there as it stands right now. So we've got air cooling at the front.
Yep.
And I believe we've got air cooling on the top as well.
Yep, it's fully panelled.
This is one of the things that I came to you guys with, because in the past we've had some problems with thermal throttling where the computer's just been running a bit too hot. One of the things I wanted was space not only for the airflow, which has become quite apparent is quite a big thing, but also to upgrade it in the future. So as impressive as this is, we've not acknowledged the fact that we're currently using my current graphics card.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was a powerful graphics card in its own right. It doesn't quite do the rest of this PC justice. So this is a 3070, which is in there and is going to absolutely obliterate anything I want to do with it. However, in the future, we've got room here. We've got room with space. We've got the power, the 1000 watts, the kilowatt of power to go for the next generation.
The next generation. So that's the elephant in the room here, guys. So this is the graphics card on this machine. Is your existing one?
My existing one is still a great graphics card.
Still a great graphics card, but we want to put the mother of all graphics cards in there, which is which one was it again?
5080. The 50 series has just come out, so there's a whole range of them. 5080 is right near the top.
Yeah.
So that will fit in here, and there's enough power to actually
handle that.
Generate. And this means I can have 3 monitors, which I have at the moment. I can have a 4th monitor. I can have those running in 144 hertz, 4K, all that kind of stuff. Way more than you'd ever need.
Way more, but this beast can actually handle it. So one of the most features I like of this particular kit is it does actually also have USB-C, but it also has a lot of connectivity on the top there, and your control panel is obviously on there as well. And of course you've got the smoking glass panel, which of course we still left the 7. We want to see a reveal, by the way. We want to see that coming off. We want to see a reveal. So we'll leave that one for you.
Okay.
And this kit is also wireless, is that right?
Yep.
Okay, so this is wireless as well. So is there anything special about the wireless?
So it's got a Wi-Fi 6E and it's also got Bluetooth.
So there's lots of use cases here, lots of space, lots of opportunity. I think what we need to do now is let this guy go with this piece of kit, because I want to see him spin this up and get started with it. So there you go, everybody. Damien, thank you very much. We really appreciate your time in the business.
Well
so that's
done.
really great. So hope you'll enjoy this beast, and I'll let you get it all packed up and enjoy.
Well, here we are, back at home. And forgive the sound quality for a start, I haven't got a microphone on, but this is where, of course, the PC would live. You will see the sim rig behind me, and we're going to be stationed on that shelf there where the current PC is. But let's try and get this computer out and have a proper look at it, shall we? Right, the first thing, easy said and done, is actually getting the thing out of the box. Obviously quite big. This box is as tall as my desk there. So let's get this up here. There we go, hopefully you can actually fit that in frame. big thing that you'll notice, of course, is the size of the thing. So this, I've actually had to remove one of the two shelves over there to accommodate this. Let's unwrap it, and I'm going to need your help in a bit, because I think this RLS Apollo machine needs a proper name, doesn't it? So I'll have a think about that in a minute. I know at RLS they were calling it things like Big Bertha, the Dark Destroyer, all that sort of thing. So I'll have a think about that. So of course this has 1 kilowatt of power. I think the kilo thing might be a nice thing to play on with the name. But let's have a look. One of the things that I find incredibly interesting, as well as all these fans for cooling, and the fact that you've got this panel here, got some tape to take off there. I'll leave that for a sec. If I show you the back, how many inputs directly, we've got USB and all that kind of stuff in there as well. Big old machine. Now in here, of course, one thing that we see straight away, if you can see, I'll take this panel off in a second, is that there's loads of room here. We've currently got my 3070 Ti in there. Sorry, it's not a Ti, just a normal 3070, so that's in there at the moment. In time we will upgrade that to something a bit beefier that's going to do justice to this machine. Here we have it. Obviously it's not switched on at the moment. There's not a lot in here in terms of RGB. I wasn't too interested in that kind of stuff, so there'll be a few lights and stuff when it comes on. Even enough room for a whole car in there. But we've got plenty of space there. We've got this vent which directs air coming from this front panel straight up to the bits that need it most. There we go. That's what it looks like inside. How will it perform? Well, hopefully better than what we've got at the moment. That's the next thing we need to try, isn't it? And here it is in action. The Apollo sat nicely on the shelf behind, all colour coded with the brand colours here, and able to run triple monitors on an advanced driving simulator incredibly smoothly. High graphics settings. This is going to take me to the next level, and I'd like to thank Rob, Dan and all the people at RLS for putting this machine together.